Length 8.5 inches, width 4 inches, depth 3/8 inch. Manufacturer model WB02X10956. This is a genuine replacement part. This high-quality genuine OEM GE Appliances charcoal filter, WB02X10956, removes cooking odors from air that circulates through the microwave vent. The charcoal filter cannot be cleaned and must be replaced. Please be aware that it is recommended to disconnect the appliance from all utilities prior to installation of the charcoal filter. Top reviews from the United States. Good product. I've purchased these replacement filters a number of times before, and always been happy. Primarily because the price is much lower than through local suppliers, and looks like the same thing that I would buy through local. Make me wonder whether local sellers purchase this online, heavily mark it up, and pass it along. No middleman here.